Hello and welcome to Daily Inspirations. I am Michelle Dawn and today is an unboxing day. I have already unboxed my Villa Beautiful items, but I have them sitting on top of the shipping label for the Cora Crea crafts box. So I'm going to turn the box over and then show you what I got from Villa Beautiful. Okay, so I already took it out of the package because, I'm impatient like that. So this is the card that came inside. It's the card from the oh shoot, I just forgot what that kit was called. It was one of my favorites. Okay, anyway, the richness I achieve comes from nature, the source of my inspiration, Claude Monet. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and then this is the freebie sheet, the little freebie sticker sheet with the VB cuties on it. And then, sorry, I've been trying so hard to scrub the stain off of my fingers, but just please know that my fingers aren't dirty. I got it off of mostly everything except this thumb because there's no, I don't know, it's just in there. Anyway, this is the sticker book, and then inside of the package with the sticker book was the Bellamy card that came in the kit as well, which I am going to use in the journal that I'm making because it's so pretty and classy and fancy. And then this is the sticker book I got. It's the Bellamy sticker book. If you want to see this sticker book closer, you can go back to the unboxing the unboxing of that kit, which is called Bellamy. It was just a few months ago. I think it was November. I can't remember. It was like maybe it was like August or September because it was the anniversary kit. Oh, Watson says, "What's this? What's this? What's this? I can't believe my eyes. What is this, Watson?" I don't know if Watson likes to unbox as much as Nova does. But I did find him playing with a VB pen box the other day. I don't know where he came up with it. I don't know where he found it, but see, these are like kitty attractors. They're like the best cat toys ever. You want to see it? You want it? Ready? I throw it. Ready? Here, look, Watson, look, go get it. Okay, this is Camille. For anyone who doesn't know, Villa Beautiful's Villa Beautiful, right? Villa Beautiful's Tiffany, just had a baby a few months ago, and this pen is named after her. It has a really beautiful rose pink, like a light, super light mauve, paint. It's glossy. It has rose gold hardware. And inside there are sequins that are iridescent and shaped like bows. And then are those little iridescent, beads. Isn't that so pretty? I don't have enough pink in my pen collection. Okay. So, and then of course the extra ink. Oh my gosh. I just want to say I have gone through, I think 5 full pens I have emptied this year. So I typically go through 1 ink a month. Okay, I had to cut that part out because I accidentally turned it over. But let's see if I can do this without spilling everything. Ta-da! Oh, okie dokie. So this is like the box tour card. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay. All right, I'm going to set the Villa Beautiful stuff aside so that we don't get confused which came with what. This is Cora Crea Crafts vintage craft box. See, it says here, vintage craft box. And let me take this out. I am very, 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 very excited that Cora Crea Crafts is not a fragrant place. Okay, I don't want to tear the tissue paper because I want to use it. Let's cut it. The sticker. Okay. Oh, tissue paper. And another cat favorite. Oh, he's chasing a fly. Okay. So this tissue paper I'm going to fold back up, but there are birds and flowers. And it's so pretty. It has gold like foiling on it. So this will come in handy with journaling. And we have, oh, there's so much stuff. I don't know what to do first. Okay, so let's look at this first. This is a Secret Garden theme, by the way. This box. Hence the flowers everywhere. The flares. My mom used to call them flares just to be funny. Okay, so this is super pretty, this packaging, which can also be reused. This is it's a stamp set. Oh, I have a knock on the door. Shoot. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, for those of you who are new, I live in my van. It's, a van life thing. It's not I don't just live in a vehicle. I have set it up with a bed and everything. Anyway, I live in my van at a campground and I have 2 neighbors. When I first got here almost a year ago, I had 0 neighbors. I was the only one here. And then climbing season happened and we had like tons of people here. And then climbing season ended and I'm here by myself again. Well, not completely. I have 2 neighbors, like I just said. Okay, whew, sorry. It's hot outside and I was just out there talking to him. Okay, so where were we? So these are the actual stamps that are in this package, which should have been obvious to me. This is my first Cora Crea Crafts box, and I didn't know what to expect, and now I know, and this is really cool. Very, very, very cool. You could cut these out and use them. You don't have to put your stamps back in here because it comes in a nice plastic wrap as well. I don't think I have ink right now. But I will have to get some because these are very, very cool. All right, what do we have next? Should we do the washi next? I feel like we should do the washi next. Da-na-na-na-na. All right, glasses, Michelle. Put on your glasses. Whew. I'm getting shaky from just talking, from just going outside and talking for a minute. I'm in the desert, just FYI. That's why it's so hot. Okay. Got it. Ooh, this is like a koi pond. Let me just get my planner out here. Let's I don't use this page anymore because this section is my journal. And so I don't have like a monthly overview. I could probably go back and just like do a monthly overview after it's completed, but I don't have time right now. For some reason, I also don't have much of any nails left. To try to do this without touching the adhesive is going to be tricky because I have no nails. Oh, there we go. I got it. All right, I'm like sensitive, not actually allergic to like everything. But adhesive is one of the things. Sorry, I crinkled up that edge, but that's okay. Look how pretty. I don't know why I'm so focused on getting this straight. Just struggle with perfectionism, which is an anxiety thing. Okay. I use my little washi card to cut washi. All right. Okay, so this is the koi pond washi. We have some like lily pads and some koi fish. It's so cool. I love the color tones as well. It's, like, is the word neutral? Like, natural tone, like, I keep saying like now. I don't know. Natural tones, browns and greens. Earth tones. That's the word I was looking for. Earth tones. Okay. Okay, Watson wants the stamps really badly. All right, now we'll do this one. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. No, kitty. All right, found the perforation. No, please don't. Please don't. Please don't rip my papers. That would make me so sad. No, no, no. Watson. Watson, where'd the pen box go? Watson! Where's your pen box, buddy? Where's your pen box? You want this one? Go take that somewhere. Ooh, this is really pretty too. Okay, these are the water lilies, I believe. Okay. Raise your hand if you have a cat. Watson is new to our family. He was at the shelter. He had already been through 2 families, not because of his behavior or anything he did, just because that's how it goes sometimes. And, whoops, fell in love with him this moment I saw him. We went back a few times. Sorry, I'm really trying not to touch this adhesive. I went back to visit him a few times. And every time he was like, take me home, take me home. So I did. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, the detail, I don't know, the color contrast, something about this is just really, really, like calling to me for some reason. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we have these two washi tapes. There, we'll just set them up like this. Okay, and the stamps now, vellum paper and sticker. What? These are, some of these are stickers? Okay. All right, let's see here. This is so beautiful. Okay, so this one's vellum. Oops, I was busy admiring. Oh, cat. This is, did the cat do this? That's okay. I'll fix it. Okay. This one is gorgeous. This is, put it against white so you can see the vibrant colors. Yeah, that's the right way. Ooh. Oh, that one's so pretty. I'm more drawn to these color tones, but for some reason this yellow and orange and red, actually my wedding was yellow and red. So maybe there's something about that color combination that calls to me as well. This is still vellum. Ooh. Can you see this at the, here, let me show you the little detail at the top here. These are beautiful colors too. I think these are water lilies. I have a tattoo of a water lily on my back. It's my daughter's birth flower. This one is really cool, like mysterious a little bit. Still vellum. This one has words like print at the bottom. This one, the beautiful blue sky and pink flowers. We've got some detail here in the corner as well. This one looks like the Claude Monet painting called Water Lilies, I think. And this beautiful yellow lilies, which I have upside down. Okay. And then these are the same images, yes, but they are stickers. See the shiny backing? Oh my gosh. It's like washi stickers. Oh, this is so cool. See? Okay, so same images, but like washi stickers. Sure, I love this one. Oh, there was two. There were two in that one. Okie dokie. All right, next. These are stickers. Secret Garden. And they are also washi material. Let me get my, whatchamacallits, tweezers so I can pull one up without touching it. Really, really beautiful stickers. Then we have, ooh, these are like textured papers. So these three are the same, but different shades. Let's see if you can see the difference in the colors here. I'll put this one next to this one so you can see. This one's lighter, this one's darker. They're both like this one's more like an ivory, this one's an off-white, and then this one is like a pinkish tone. Here, let's put these on against the white as well. And you can see that there are raised whatchamacallit, like leaves. Get you really close there. Maybe that will help. Yeah? And it's textured. It's very cool. It feels very cool. All right, then we have this one, which feels like a recycled paper with pressed flowers in it. Let me see if I know that there was a thing. Okay, we had Secret Garden washi, Garden Pond washi, Secret Garden clear stamps, ephemera pack, sticker sheet, natural papers. Okay, so that would be these three, and this one would be natural papers. This is really cool. I like how the leaves are in there. And it's obviously textured as well. That'll be very cool in a journal spread. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's so much stuff. So much stuff. And then next, this is the ephemera pack. I don't know where it opens, and I kind of don't want to open it because it's just so pretty. I don't want to tear any of it. Like, I want to leave this front intact. There's quite a lot in here. Okay, got it all out. I am saving both of these sides of the packaging for later use. Okay, that's the ephemera. I got sucked in looking at them all. I didn't remember to talk, so I probably sped through that part in the video. I'm so sorry. I was distracted by the cool beauty of this of this ephemera pack. Oh, here's another one. I don't want to lose them. I am going to put these. This one may not fit. I'm going to put these in here. Let's see. Oh, just barely. All right. So that way I don't lose any pieces. Set this over here. Okay. And I believe this is last. Yes, last. But of course not least, we have paper set, 10 pages. Ooh. Oh, that was my dog. What are you doing, Toby? Everybody got haircuts this weekend. The dogs and the cat. Actually, I think the cat was last weekend. This one is so fun, like wildflowers and butterflies. This is a beautiful frame with flowers and handwriting. This one, oh, fun. Mushrooms. Ooh, this one's pretty. So we have these beautiful, like indigo color flowers. And the green leaves, looks like maybe some kind of a frame and like a stain, a watermark. Very cool. Leaves, different kinds of leaves, stems and leaves, different kinds of flowers. It was a nice frame around it. It would be a very cool background. Ooh, ooh, I like this one. I like the, darker theme kind of things. I like colorful and happy too. It just, I don't know. More mushrooms. More wildflowers. This time no butterflies, and it's on an off-white or even beige cream background. This one is Monstera. Is that how you say that? Leaves. I do not have a green thumb. That is not something that I was blessed with. This is beautiful, like an arch with the flowers and vines and handwriting. Oh my gosh. I didn't know these came with, okay. Come on. This is so cool. So once again, we have like a washi sticker sheet that is, okay, I'll just show you. The back is shiny. Okay. So it's it's a full page of this as like a washi sticker. And then those here, let me put them on the paper here so you can see them on a white background. But of course they're going to look pretty much like the papers, a little bit more see-through. So it would depend on what you put it on, how it looks. If you're using it against white paper, this is how it will look. I'm not a frame, but these pages are larger than the other ones, so than the vellum sheets. Oh, okay. I'm really, really super excited to start making very cool, fun things with this kit, this box, this vintage craft box. So just as I'm kind of getting everything together here, these were washi sticker full page sheets. These are the full page sheets that the washi stickers are based on. These are cardstock-ish. I don't know if they're just really heavy paper or if they would be considered cardstock. Okay. We have these amazing stickers. The natural paper pack there. We'll put that under here. We have the ephemera. Where did I put the ephemera? Here. Whoops. Ephemera. Stamps. And, excuse me, vellum and sticker sheets that match. These are half the size of this one. And washi and washi. Wide, really wide washi and wide washi. And that was the Cora Crea Crafts Secret Garden Vintage Craft Box. Ah! So amazing. So amazing. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And please remember my Villa Beautiful part of the unboxing. Now I can't find the sticker book. Oh, there it is. Yes. Don't forget about this stuff. You will be seeing this again in my the gift journal that I'm making. If you want to see how that's going, there are some reels on Instagram. I plan to upload some of those to shorts as well. And have a beautiful, fabulous, fantastic, awesome day. Sorry, I'm in a very strange mood today. I'm just really excited about this and getting to play with stuff, and it makes me so happy. So, as always, stay inspired. Bye.